Arsa Calcium Supplement is a premium quality dietary supplement developed by Arsa Life Care Private Limited to support bone health and prevent calcium deficiency. This supplement is formulated with natural ingredients that help to promote the absorption of calcium in the body. Calcium hydroxyapatite is a different form of calcium that has been used in Arsa Calcium Supplement along with vitamin D3. It is a natural compound that makes up the mineral structure of bones and teeth, and it is believed to be more easily absorbed by the body than other forms of calcium. It is highly absorbable by the body and has been shown to support strong bones and prevent osteoporosis. Calcium is an essential mineral that is required for the development and maintenance of strong bones and teeth. Vitamin D3 helps the body to absorb and utilize calcium effectively, promoting optimal bone health. This supplement is manufactured in a GMP-certified facility, ensuring that the product is of the highest quality and meets strict safety standards. It is also free from harmful chemicals and additives, making it safe and effective. Overall, Arsa Calcium Supplement is a reliable and effective option for those who want to support their bone health and prevent calcium deficiency. With a commitment to quality and safety, Arsa Life Care Private Limited has created a supplement that can help people get the essential nutrients they need for optimal bone health.